Now unit 7.1, Unitary Method. What is mean by unitary method? This method is a technique which is used for solving a problem by finding the value of single unit. Single unit means one unit. By dividing and then finding the necessary value by multiplying the single unit value. For example, if price of 8 toffees is rupees 24, find the price of 1 toffee. 8 toffees price are given and you have to find one toffee price. So when you have to find single unit price or single unit value, you have to divide it. You have to divide the information. So cost of 8 toffees is equals to rupees 24. So cost of 1 toffee is equals to 24 divided by 8. And when we divide 24 by 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 comes in the table of 8 when we multiply it by 3. 3 times 8 3s are 24. So the answer is 3. Which means that cost of 1 toffee is rupees 3. We have find the cost of 1 unit by dividing the information, by dividing the given information. We just have found the price of 1 unit. We just have found the price of 1 toffee, which is rupees 3. The thing which you have to remember is, if you are giving information for more than 1 unit, divide to find for 1 unit. If the information is given about more than 1 unit and you have to find the value of 1 unit, so you just have to divide the information to find the value of 1 unit. And if you are giving information for 1 unit, then multiply to find for the total amount. Now let's work task 1 of this unit. We have some word problems. Part A, this is the part A of your book. 5 boxes have 25 pencils. How many will 1 box have? You have to find the value of 1 unit and 1 box, which means that you have to divide the information. Solution: 5 boxes have is equals to 25 pencils. So 1 box have is equals to, we just divide the information, we just divide 25 by 5, and when we divide 25 by 5, we got 5. Show you that how can we divide 25 by 5. 25 in the dividend and 5 in the divisor, and 5 5s are 25. So 5 is the answer, which means that 1 box have 5 pencils. Now part B, 3 houses of the same design have 15 rooms. How many rooms are there in one house? You have to find the number of rooms in one house, so you just divide the information. 3 houses have is equals to 15 rooms. So 1 house have 15 divided by 3. And 15 divided by 3, we got 5. And we got 5, we write 15 in the dividend and 3 in the divisor. And 15 comes in the table of 3 when we multiply it by 5. So 3 5s are 15. Cross. We got 5, which means that, so each house, each means 1, each house have 5 rooms. Now part I, if a cow gives 143 liters of milk in 13 days, how much milk will it give in a 1 day? Again we have to find 1 day, about information about 1 day. So we just divide the information. In 13 days, cow give is equals to 143 liter milk. So in 1 day, cow give 143 divided by 13. And how can we divide it? 143 divided by 13. First we take 2 digits from the divisor. First we take 14. 14 does not come in the table of 13, but smaller than 14 is 13. So 13 ones are 13. Now when we subtract it, 1 is remainder. Now we cannot divide 1 by 13, so we have to carry the 3 from the dividend. Now it's 13 and 13 ones are 13. So the answer is 11, which means that cow gives 11 liters in a day. I hope you all have understood. Homework task is let's work task 1. You have to do let's work task 1 of this unit, unit 7.1.